So how do you simplify fractions on the iPhone calculator? Let me explain it, and if it's your first time here, subscribe so you never miss anything important. And so, of course, we have the the calculator on the iPhone, which can be either basic or scientific. Obviously, scientific one has more features and functions, but the way to type in fractions in here is still kind of limited. Right, like you can see that I can type in a number, for example, and click the fraction button in here, and it turns it into the 1 divided by the number. Or you can also use the parentheses yourself to kind of like set up the fraction. So 5/3 would be written this way, and you can hit the equal sign and you get the actual number. So I guess it is simplified in that sense. So if that's what you are looking for, this is how you can do this. But as far as the built-in calculator goes, it's not the most advanced one. So what you're going to do in this case is to get to the App Store and look up some options. There are some dedicated apps for simplifying fractions. Then that's something you can definitely give a try. You can see you can literally get an app which does exactly what you are looking for. So that might be something you want to test out. Or outside of that, you can also get a dedicated replacement calculator for the built-in one. So as you can see, there is an app like this one where you can type in your fraction and it does simplify it in this sense, right? So let me choose an example which would actually make sense. So let me just choose 4/8. You can see that it gets simplified to 1/2. So yeah, that's like the best way I think it is to do it, because the built-in keyboard, the calculator by Apple, we don't seem to have that option. So I hope it helps. That's what I wanted to explain quickly. Let me know your thoughts and opinions below, and I'll see you in the future videos.